everyone. Welcome to MarineMax Panama City Beach. This is Jay Danberg, and we're going to take a quick look at this Grady-White 285 Freedom. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice on the Grady-White 285 Freedom is the horsepower. This boat has 600 horsepower with twin Yamaha 300s. A great feature of our Grady-White 285 Freedom is the fact that it is optioned with bow thruster. You'll see here you have side power. If you're in a tight spot at a dock, it's always nice to have a bow thruster, parallel, get away from everything. A lot of bigger dual consoles in the marketplace do not have near the size of this bathroom. If you take a look in here, plenty of headroom, and it also doubles as a rod locker, so very versatile boat. So the bow up here at the 285 Freedom is extremely comfortable. You've got designated fish boxes under the seats. Your backrests are just angled perfectly for a very comfortable ride, and you've got a recessed handrail here with cup holders. Windlass anchor up front with controls, and then also you've got your mount here for a kitchen. You can have a nice picnic. The table is perfect height. Everything is just great. All right, so thank you for checking out the Grady-White 285 Freedom with me today. One of my favorite boats. Come check it out here. My name is Jay, and you can contact me at 225-806-3403.